The snow causing all sorts of headaches as holiday travel kicks into high gear.
All right, so NBC 10's Matt Fortin joining us now from Logan. I see a lot of folks behind you, Matt. I imagine some of them are dealing with delays.
Yes, they absolutely are, Lauren and Jeff. Like David said, that snow has basically wrapped up, but we still are seeing lingering impacts here at Logan Airport. And this is the Delta counter at Terminal A behind me, and some real decent lines this morning are forming. But like you said, Lauren, there are dozens of delays and cancellations today just ahead of the holiday. And according to FlightAware, there are 36 delays and 79 cancellations here at Logan Airport today. And this is, of course, it comes during a huge weekend for traveling as people, they try to get to their holiday destinations to enjoy some time off and spend some time with family. Now, officials here at Logan are expecting a busy, but they say not a record-breaking weekend. Today, a projected 62,000 people are expected to go through security checkpoints here. And we just spoke with a family actually from Bedford, Massachusetts, and they're off to Hawaii. But their flight has been delayed, leaving Boston a couple of hours, and they're concerned about their connection over in Seattle.
We usually stay at home, the four of us, and just have like a chill Christmas, but the school break, because of the way the holidays fell this year, was longer. So we thought if we're going to do the trip, this year's the year to do it.
Well, hopefully they make it there on time. Now, if you are flying out this weekend, here are a few things to keep in mind. Plan to arrive with plenty of time to spare, of course, 2 hours early for domestic flights, even more for international. Now, TSA recommends using gift bags or boxes, actually, instead of wrapping. That'll be easier to get through security with. And don't forget to put liquid or spreadable foods, if you're bringing food, in a checked bag. Solid foods, those will be okay in your carry-on. So far, lines at the Delta counter, they seem manageable, but there definitely are a lot of crowds here this morning for an early morning, so definitely get here with plenty of time to spare, and we'll continue to track things here at Logan throughout the morning. For now, reporting live from Logan Airport, Matt Fortin, NBC 10 Boston.